Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Samsul Islam. I was a student of Hexa Zindabazar. My best number was HZ17922. I was a student of Hexa Zindabazar and my journey with Hexa Zindabazar was amazing. I enjoyed every single moment here at Hexa Zindabazar. I got my result a couple of weeks ago, probably 27th of December, and I got overall 7. So I want to share something with you guys. Here at Hexa Zindabazar, I learned so many things. Teachers were amazing. My best teacher was Mubin sir. He was always supportive to me, and whenever I was needed anything regarding my IELTS journey, he was always there to help me to overcome my obstacle or any difficulties I was facing. He was always there to help me to overcome it. And I just want to tell you something else, like, their mock test environment is absolutely same as the main exam. So when I went there, I feel like I'm just taking a mock test there as like I used to take mock test here at Hexa Zindabazar. So I would highly recommend everyone who wanna take IELTS course. You are welcome here at Hexa Zindabazar. And one more thing about Hexa Zindabazar is their speaking club, which is really amazing for those who want to improve their speaking. And it really helped me a lot, and I improved a lot while practicing there at speaking club. I used to practice every day in my speaking club, and it helped me a lot to improve. And reading and writing club also was good for me to improve my reading and writing. So I would say that HEXA'S was played a crucial role to help me to secure a good result, overall 7 in my exam. So I would welcome everyone who wanna take their course. So you are welcome to Hexa Zindabazar.